Hello everyone, we are Team Tech Inno and today we'll present our project, Innovative Touchless Doorbell Development. Traditional doorbells needs to be touched which can cause hygiene issues. With COVID-19, there's been more awareness about minimizing contact with shared surfaces. Our solution is a touchless doorbell that uses motion sensors to detect movement. It helps reduce health risks and is easier to use. Target groups are homeowners, office managers, business and property managers. Our end users include guests, public health officials, and service providers. We interviewed potential users, and they prefer a touchless doorbell for hygiene, efficiency, and ease of use. Our touchless doorbell must meet the following requirements. Our system has mechanical and electrical components. The system works in three steps. Motion detection. The PIR sensor detects body heat and sends a signal. Processing signal. The Arduino processes the signal and triggers the buzzer and LED. Alerts. The buzzer sounds and the LED lights up to alert users. Here is the CAD drawing of our project. Unique features include touchless operation, affordable, feedback, hygienic design.
So here is the code purpose where we discuss how code controls touchless doorbell, provides visual feedback, activities that are based on motion detection, and also it provides us audible feedback. Then what changes we have done in this system? We have replaced ultrasonic sensor by PIR sensor and also added LED for visual feedback. Then material list. So what components we have used for this system? We have used Arduino PIR sensor, LED indicator, buzzer, USB cable, adapter, and jumble wires for this program. Here is the work distribution between our team members. Then we have code structure where we discuss about loops and code snippet. Here is the entrepreneurial aspects where we discuss about market gaps and concepts. And what are the values of our design? It is affordable, it improves hygiene and motion detection. Also, it provides visual feedback and audible sound.
Why invest in our design meets growing demand for hygienic and convenient solution post-COVID. Combines affordability, reliability, and unique features. Easy installation in under 30 minutes, ideal for non-technical users. Better addresses customer needs compared to existing options. Lessons learned, engineering and design, problem solving, user-centered design, technical skills. Entrepreneurial mindset. Key insights for developing entrepreneur mindset: curiosity, connection, creating value. Teamwork and management, collaboration, improved communication and teamwork through task delegation and regular updates. Time management, balance deadlines, testing phases, and design revision effectively. Resilience, adapted to challenges like sensor calibration issues and refine the design items. What we do differently: enhance design aesthetics, more user testing, advanced features.
Here is the summary of our project. Traditional doorbells are unhygienic and inconvenient, creating a need for touchless doorbell system. Interviews reveal that key customer needs are hygiene, ease of use, affordability, and reliability. Our design uses a PIR sensor, LED indicator, and buzzer to create a fully touchless experience. We gained experience in various sectors, explored advanced features like mobile alerts, and improve energy efficiency. Our touchless doorbell enhances hygiene and convenience, and safety for home owners and business, providing an affordable, reliable solution. References are as follows. Thank you. Here is the 3D print design of our project.